Hi guys! I'm Nira, and welcome to the Nira-accessory channel. If you love creating beautiful resin crafts like keychains and unique accessories, you're in the right place. I've been working on this channel for about 8 months now, and although I've been putting a lot of effort into it, I haven't been able to get monetized yet. So, if you enjoy my content and find it helpful, please consider subscribing, liking the videos, and sharing them with your friends. Your support really means a lot to me and motivates me to create even more awesome content for you. Today, I've got a special video for you, a tutorial on how to make a resin keychain with letters and glitter featuring colorful butterflies. I hope you enjoy it. And stay tuned because I've got some exciting new tutorials coming soon. If you like my creations, don't forget to check